Na okwanirie omwancho murigereria bwitase kia Ndizi TV Chinsa ni Ikomi tukoneria ijuma wa chitariki ni 11 mutinyu 5 na 3 umwaka w'echiribu 2023 no kwigena kwa ni marogoba yaona gendreto kuira buya na indengo kwaregania asemesa ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi egeretwe manye asenchera yo bwenge na ria yagendete okoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii abarai bazimio lo moja one Kenya nigo bagendrete ko base county ya Siaya asegeti kia Bondo Stadium asebagendrete kumerana n'icia mate chirichi asiretie abamwabo chingaki chokorobekana okuo kwarangeretiwe nabo mubwazimio lo moja one Kenya ekeroba nabarai ao bagendrete gwikerana gati abono muraibe kia makia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga omwancho murigereria na kwareganirie atarimake na kwaregania na inda senchera yabenye twemanye goika omoelio nkoira nande asegekege kekerebosio agaran kumanya mange korwa sense moye bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta chingaki ya Bigal Nyanchama akwenekia chibicha na marioginko wikirara senchira yobororo Amayia Chinsa Ikomi tigato ya chake korwa se county ya Nyamira asumulikito jomangi agendrete kubwati roboti igoronga na kyomo county commissioner Onesmus Yata anyareko bakago kwaneranga na kia serikali nene agendrete wikiranyo bokoreri bwaye asenchira yekerero gose digitization bunenchereye moyo kwororobia obokoreri chingakiecho nigaruro gose miago chia 7 mbaba isakuru manganabo yengencho gose manganabo bisi ochia simonto ondebwenza yani gagocha maega yengana ya world coin ya nyarako bakego ikarna sense ya Kenya asaba Kenya bange barwa manganabo yengencho
sub counties na itakuwa free wifi na serikali, si ndio? Hiyo kitu sasa ndio tunaenda, hakuna mambo mengine. So that's why we are saying at the end of the day, all of us, we must be brought on board. How do we ensure that we protect that person's data? Because our youths, they engage in so many activities. They are income generating. Issues to do with the music, issues to do with the blogging. Kuna ile ingine wanafanya art and craft. Kuna wale wanauza products zao online, si ndio? How do you ensure that you safeguard that kind of information? Na sasa serikali ina create those hubs. Jana nilikuwa na kijana ule anasimamia the ajira hubs within the county. Zile vijana wetu wanakuwa trained katika mambo ya wanafundishwa hii mambo in order to ensure that they can now benefit and transact their business online. So hii mambo itaendelea na itaendelea. And that's why it is very critical that all of us are being brought under this roof. Watu wale wanafanya kazi kwa serikali, wafanya biashara, vijana, wamama na wazee, hata other players, all of us tumewapa hapa ili tuhamasishe kuhusu hii huduma.
Ensemo ya baonchurulia korose county ya Kisii wana nigoba se miwe chinchera chobo bisi unenchere moyo kubakineria baonchuruli bwabo ase amagimabo yene nkwana ya nyara kobakigo kwanwa amona Ken Onditi oyoro regional director asorgongorwa Nyanza korose kiombegia Kenya National Chambers of Commerce Industry oyo nyara kobaga kurugo segeto kugocha sabonchurulia unana kibagwenderete kwe mentera obonchoreria abwabo nigoba iga baboririe banyara ko babago ikerana ase chitua ao isiko yense ya Kenya binenchereye moyo konyora obobisi bwo kwegendereria niga ya kwanira ya iga binenchereye moyo kwa bamenyi be county ya Kisii omoyo igoro yobonchoreria bwabo.
Also, we also realize that we need to do a lot of advocacy for our members. Because we've just realized that here in Kisii, a square feet space for office renting is more than the one in Nairobi. So we'll have a chance to talk with the county governor on those rates, and also the national government on what can be done, because Chamber is the voice for the businessmen and women. And as a regional director of Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we have advocated for more registration, and we are going to do what is called a registration drive, or we are going to mobilize our people in the 6 counties. That is Nyamira, Kisii, Migori, Homa Bay, Siaya, and Kisumu, to register more, because in eventual run, Chamber is going to have even a SACCO for their members, because we realize that SACCO are the easiest way and the cheapest means whereby our traders and our members can get loans easily to enhance their businesses. So I'm appealing to people who have not registered as members of Chamber of Commerce. Chamber of Commerce is now vibrant in Nyanza, and we are going to make registration more vibrant. So we would encourage people who have not registered to register in their various chapters.
Obo ibi nigobogendrete komenteka asensema ya Kiogoro egotoka sebunge ya Nyaribari chache kaunti ya Kisii eyemagega yabamenyi benseme yo gosangane getaseni kya Ndizi TV wetera omulikito Josephat Hamisi asebanchiranire buna matuko abwango iganiga baibi bagendrete kubaibera anene chingoko gatie nibende nyinge obotuko bugukira lero mwancho muligereria nigo abaibi baswa ase nyumba yokwego kya emo na kuiba chibesa boigo nechi TV nigo bono baruro kobolya uchasa serikali ye county kobaendekeria obulendi bwabo asugukinia obonchorere bwabo
ekitise ekichairiru gotogosabera abana baito ntomanyete nasengenje nchara nene no botako banene etwari gosabanga gaki enchara yatandira abana baito basoire gotoura chingoko basoire gotoura chitirisa gaki twari gosabera abana ne serikali yaito komuranje aigato gukwana korundisi TV obwansi kwendisi TV kwanza bana yanyasai to abagambi tokonye komuranje ntobwati omorembe nturi korara ase binyoro tomenyete twari gosabanga nyasai akonya abana aba batoreke batigo boibi baira nase kanisa ende bakore mirimo yae batagotoreka na barumba batagosira kare ntugo twari gosaba tokorera togotabanga gake serikali yaito tokonye komuranje tokonye nturi korara ase ngento yenzaro no botakobonge
Abarai bechi kanisa aiga sense ya Kenya bakora wana Martin Kivuva nigobono baire ngana ya serikali na azimio la umoja wani Kenya okoboko asugwanchira na wikaransa eliogokora chinkwana unenchire moyo kubaibwana ni aba Kenya na gwanchira na asobwamo nigoba kwanire na baliki bamangana imemucho Nairobi asibabolire Kalonzo Musyoka uyokora chinkwana echokorwa sobomo bwake azimio la umoja na boigo kimani chungwa korwa sensemo ya Kenya kwanza banyareko baba kuligereria ba Kenya litangani na kobabeka ase chinkwanecho nigo batebire chinga kyo molembo bulete asense nigo uchumi kogenderera kuirananse
experience tensions, violence and political disquiet since the beginning of the year. Kenyans have in the last few days heaved a sigh of relief as the bipartisan talks got underway. The absence of toxic political bickering has accorded citizens a chance to reflect on their lives and to resume livelihood activities. We therefore commend the Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja coalition's leaders for heeding to the advice of Kenyans and accepting to sit down and talk.
Kenyans expect that the bipartisan talks between the Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja coalitions will resolve the immediate political crisis, including the reconstitution of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. We nonetheless urge for inclusion of agenda to address the deep-seated and long-standing issues, including the consolidation of national unity and cohesion, tackling poverty, youth unemployment, and fighting corruption and impunity.
We want to involve not just the religious community, but all Kenyans from all walks of life. We have called for a national dialogue process. We have to dialogue about the questions that are with us.
Abantu chimia ibere na mirongo etano abo bale nobolema korwase kaunti ya Mandera nigo bali nekiba kwegokeria ekiagere serikali kaunti yowetera wizara ya agenda nigo ya ruro bokonyi bwebirogo chi wheelchair bunenchire moyo kubarorobelia obogima abuna abantu bande okwana chingakie chumo waziri agenda se kaunti ya Mandera nigaene kirie bunamba chekogendera kurubo konyi bunga bunobwo ochia asabantabo.
Hii mradi ilitoka sana sana kwake ambaye hatakuwa na fedha yoyote yake aliweza kutenga fedha ili manufaa iende kwa watu ambaye wanaishi na ulemavu katika Mandera County.
Tumeona ya kwamba hizi vifaa ni vifaa ambapo wiko na maana sana kwa upande ya walemavu kwa vile sisi hatujawahi ona vifaa kama hizi, na sasa hii ni mwanzo na tunataka mengi zaidi, lakini hii mwanzo ndio hata tumefurahia kwa vile imejumuisha walemavu kote nchini na tunashukuru, asante.
Wizara ya madini nobochono bwechi nyancha monokorwase kaunti ya Kilifi na Kwale nigo bachakire bene merobelie mekeranu igoro yogo konya sekte yo okwana chinga kibali gochakia nseme yemerobelio asorgongo rwa coast mwaziri wa madini Salim Mvuria amona babwatani bande au bago konyo merobelio yogo ikirana nigo baboliria bananchi korwa sorgongo rwa coast kubwaterana na serikali iliyokwanekia merobelio mwikiranu asabamenyi bensemeyo.
It's coming in to support us in working around the marine ecosystem. And therefore there are quite a number of community interest groups that will participate in the two counties in the next 3 years. And as national government, as Ministry of Blue Economy, we are very happy
To see a project which connects up the biggest pictures on the planet with climate change, together with the most important things in the community, which is the bringing up of children to be healthy and happy adults in a safe environment. This is so exciting.
It is a grassroots-oriented project. In most of the things we are going to do, we are going to actually be in a very localized spaces. Through our program approach, we are going to mobilize the communities to participate effectively and be in the front line of changing the environment they want to see.
Mugavana bwe kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo bono nigo asingirire gotebabuna omo inspector general bwabanyanyimbo nigabwenerete kwetigia emiremo kiagera chinkwana nyarako bakakwana matukabwango iga kubwatekana nogosiria kubugima kwa bakenya abo balenge asokorobekana asobomo bwazimio lo moja wa Kenya banyarako bakorangelia okorobekana oko Javet Kome nigaboli gwe kigima anyarako bakawetigie emiremo kubwatekana ne chinkwana chogo kumia aiga Kenya.
They must respect and comply with the Bill of Rights, which includes the right to life. The right to life. So, I was very amazed. My father was a policeman. I know how policemen do their work. I meet policemen in court. They are very good policemen we have in the country. But to have a policeman talk that language.
Maega yechinkwana gati ya serikali na Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya uchakavene wananigo abarai ao warorekanire kwao koboko enkwane iyo mono korwa sorgongo rwa Western ase county ya Kakamega asomo governor Fernandez Baraza amono mo woman rep we county iyo batebire nigere bya abantabo gosabara yabo korwa Chinsa mechuibere banyareko baba kobeka magima ya Kenya bosyo na gokwanera amangana yengencho aliarengeta Bakenya mono okoligereria asokweyeria ligolire bintu byengencho asaba Kenya.
Tunataka watu wetu, the cost of living is so high. Watu wetu wanaumia. Watu wananikujia kila siku. Hata mimi mama sina chakula ya kuwapatia. Ndio tunaomba serikali tafadhali hizi talks. Tumechoka na watu kufa, tumechoka na watu wetu kuumia. So we support the talks. Sina mna hivyo? Na tunasema tuwe sober.
Na msimamo ambao baba ametoa ni ya kwamba tuwe na mazungumzo without conditions. And we must put all the cards on the table. Leo najua sasa wale ambao wamechaguliwa kwa yale mazungumzo, we have now agreed on the agenda. What we want ni gharama ya maisha kurudi chini. Baba is not interested in the handshake kwa sababu sisi kama wana Azimio
abateneneri boborendi amona barai korwa sensema ya madogo imeye county ya Tana River waronigo beso kirie na kubulia abaibuli koba maiso na kulenda abana babo nganinki bagokora ngakiki eyemagega yebikore byobosaliano boibi komenteka sensema ya madogo chinga kibona abaibuli batebiwe abana buna babungire chiskuru nigo bagwenete kumanya nkaiba koba na ninki bagokora mono chingaki cha botuko.
Aibu imekosekana hata wakati wa kufanya hiwizi. So sijui tunaelekea wapi. Sijui kama ni risasi tutawapiga ndio nyinyi mpige duru ya kwamba mtoto wenu ameuawa ama ni njia gani tutatumia tuweza kusaidiana, because kama imefika kiwango hata asubuhi mtu akienda kazi anaibiwa simu na hiyo simu ndiyo anatumia maybe atakufanya biashara zake. How do you expect us to continue this particular security threat about tuko naye?
Tuzi wiki moja iliyopita bodaboda imeibiwa na mwenye ameiba ameenda kuweka kwa nyumba yake na hajui kwamba iko na tracking system. Hiyo bodaboda ilikuwa ni ya deni. So ameenda ikiwa kwa nyumba yake imeshikwa. So ongea na vijana yako, hii bodaboda wawache uhalifu naye.
Wale wako na fikra, wale vijana wetu ambao wako na fikra ya kwenda kwa mambo ya uharibifu kama
na bamenyi korwa sub county ya kwanza igotoka sebunge ya Trans Nzoia nigo barine kibago cha kwegokeria magega ya serikali ya county yo kubwaterana na Safaricom Foundation eligo chakia ubwagachi bwenyagitari yabangina na bana Maternal and Child Health Services ase e county yo gokwana na balikiba mangana mugavana bwe county yo George Natembea nigalire irayo cha kwenda kio murubuli yongo ikiranore elikuaroro byobokora libobo chenwa sensemeyo umurubuli yo nigo cha koira shilingi 332 korwa sekiombe kyo gia Safaricom Foundation.
Sio rahisi upate shirika ambalo linajitokeza na kutupatia pesa milioni 32. Sio rahisi. Na kwa hii miaka yote hii sisi hatujaona jambo kama hilo kama watu wa Trans Nzoia. Najua of course tuliongea na wao tukasema tunahitaji nini watufanyie nini na tukasema tunataka hospitali na iwekwe mahali fulani. So wakati mambo kama haya yanafanyika Trans Nzoia, mimi mahali nimekaa naona kwamba wale jamaa wengine pia ambao wamepata mali kutoka Trans Nzoia lazima nao pia wajiulize maswali na sisi tunaweza tufanya nini kujaribu kuinua hali ya maisha ya watu wetu. Tutaenda tufanye mambo ya supplementary ili maana inajengwa ghorofa moja hapa chini peke yake lakini wanaweka foundation na kuweka floor nyingine juu moja, sio? Ile ya juu pia nazi tufanye nini?
Mwancho moligareria gwikira bwono nkubutorera Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yobwenge korende ekoraga ensa eyamo yabono botuko na baigo Chinsa isato na chikugochera asenchera yobwikiranu agekogera bariki baito nigo bari chinsemo ao kwaenekea onsi awikira senchera yobwikiranu Azimio la Umoja One Kenya abaraya bunigo barase county ya Siaya chinga kikalonzo Musyoka kwanira satebire bagucha kwaenekea chinkwana chia bypatsan ndichigokoreka asenchera yobo maene boigo madakarua nero tebirase chinkwane chyo goikaba chikoligereria igoro yogo kina kwe binto byengencho saba Kenya na boigo ko igoro gwe sava amo na monchorrio ase kiombe kyobo chori ne chimbebe IEBC biamono litowaterana komo korwa sensema yebimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta Abigail Nyanchama nigaene kechibicha na maliogia gwikire asenchera yobwekirano na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.